In the last video, I showed you how to create an order. In this video, I want to show you from the home screen how to be able to access orders. Now, right off the front screen, you do have the ability to bounce into any orders that were assigned to you already. However, most of the time, especially as an admin, you'll want to be able to look over all of the orders that have been created and are in process. So by clicking orders, the first one is view orders. As you can see here, the last order that we created for Mickey Mouse right here is listed. And one thing that you see is it's very colorful on the screen. You have green balls, you have balls that are red, sometimes you even see balls that are yellow, and then you also have these colorful bars on the right side. Let me explain a little bit about what you're seeing. First of all, the color of the ball is specifying how much time you actually have. So red ball means it's overdue. A yellow ball means that you have less than 2 weeks to do this project, and green means you have more than that. Just by hovering over, it tells you how much time you actually have for cataloging that specific order. The other thing on the right side is when you go into an order, you show the progress. So there's multiple steps that we have created in DIMLI to be able to track an order, and this shows how much of an order has been done. If you see 4 green bars, that means that all the images are done and it's awaiting for it to be cataloged. In the case of Mickey Mouse, it has not been digitized yet, so there are no gray bars. When you see that there has been images created, there's also a yellow bar underneath that highlights how many of the images have been cataloged. So it's kind of a progress bar to see how much work is actually being done and what is awaiting for approval as well. In the case of this one down here, where 138 images out of 138 have been cataloged, it's been checked as catalog, and now it's awaiting for the admin to be able to approve the cataloging. If you click in any order, it'll automatically take you up into the order panel. One way that DIMLI works is anytime you click a button, it moves what you are currently seeing down and pushes the new content up. So right now we are viewing order 0039. But if you scroll down, you see all the orders and you can bounce back and forth. So for instance, if I wanted to bounce back into this order, it just pushes that order to the top. Now, one of the great things about this workflow is the ability to select and assign an order to a specific person. So you have the ability, in this case it's assigned for me to catalog, I'm just waiting on additional information. And it also allows you to be able to scroll through and see all the images in this order. Down at the bottom of this panel, you will also see the buttons that allow you to know what has been done as part of the order. So, for instance, this has been digitized, edited, export, and delivered, though the cataloging has not been complete and it has not been approved. From the order panel, you also have the ability, if you have the right privilege level, to delete any of the images, and also the ability to flag for export. The reason you would flag for export is if you went back to an order that has already been cataloged and approved and fix a work record that was part of that or an image record that was part of that, that allows for the system to know that you want to be able to push those changes to an export if you were exporting out to another digital asset manager, such as our case right now as we're pushing out to IMDID2. So at this point in time, you also have the ability to click on any image and be able to see it or go directly into it. And we will be talking in the next videos about how to actually catalog an image. But as you can see, anytime you click in something, it just moves the new content up, but you still have the ability to scroll down and see the old content down at the bottom.